Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LSHit254, and you're tuning in for another one, man. The garage is a mess. It's been parts accumulating. Board need to be updated. I mean, I really been busy dealing with life, etc, etc. But we finna get back on the grind. Probably after, I won't say after Thanksgiving, but probably be after Thanksgiving. Well, not after Thanksgiving, but close to Thanksgiving, or yeah. Been doing a lot of stuff with the bike. Just finished washing it up or whatever, but washing up and filming some videos for it. But what we need to do is get back on the cars. I've been neglecting the channel a little bit, and I apologize for keeping y'all waiting. There's just so much shit, man. So much shit, so little time, etc, etc. So I don't even remember where we was last time, man. I think the last time we was trying to start this car. So all right, we'll just start first. Let's start first. So we are wrapping up things on the bike. As far as mods and go, the next big mod that I want to do, I'm gonna have to save up some bread for it, and yeah. So if you want to know more about that, go to the other channel, or wait till I post one of them videos over here on the playlist for the Harley. So over here, my next priority is the photo that we have now officially named Dolores after my mom, and we're gonna go ahead and get her right. So I think last time when we left off, we were trying to get it started. Got a new battery. Pretty sure something's gonna have to be changed with the tune. I'm gonna have to play around with that just to even get it started, so we can get to getting it to do whatever it was doing. I know last time I was looking for the keys, they in the damn car. Alright. Like I said, it's been a lot going on, so. Alright, so car been sitting for a while. Like I said, the tune probably gonna have to be adjusted. I think the last place it was at, we had some starter fluid. That's empty now, so let me find a can of starter fluid. Like I said, if I could just get it started. And I want to say what changed is the exhaust part. The exhaust part changed because we did finish welding up the exhaust. Although with that muffler, I don't know what's going on with it. So I think we we did go buy some gas for it, so that's something else that I needed to do. I'm pretty sure there's gas in there, but got some more just to make sure. So let me put this gas in and I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, so while we was out here working on this, we got a package in. Been waiting on these bulbs for the tail lights. So what we doing, we upgrading to the sequential blinker joints. These here, this kit I ordered from my boy over at Driveway Racing. So if y'all trying to get y'all a set, let me get these hooked up and show you what they're working with. Alright, so we got the sequentials installed by Driveway Racing. I'll come back at nighttime so you can kind of better see it. But you can see it. So yeah, it's coming on along. And they LEDs, so they hard to see too. So, yeah. Alright, so I tried adjusting the camera settings so that I can kind of see it better. I'll make it darker, even though it's, oh yeah, that's a little bit better. Let's see if we can take it down a little bit low. Oh, that's too dark. Yeah, now you can see the sequentials in action. Alright, change that again. I ain't gonna lie to you, nigga. I'm done. It don't want to start. It's acting stupid. I done already installed the other shit from today. I installed the sequential, so that's content. Let this shit charge back up and shit go from there. Go from there. Cause at this point, it don't make no damn sense. So why it won't start? Like I said, the only thing that changed was exhaust. And unless that shit is clogged up, which is bullshit, then yeah. So I guess we'll jump over to the Cutlass then while that battery charge back up. Alright, so I ordered this kit off of eBay or something for duals for the Cutlass. So came with the pipe to go up and over and shit. So now I'm just trying to see the back of the vehicle. I'm trying to see how this shit's supposed to go. Alright, let me go get the other piece. The other piece, like I said, there's just been pieces accumulating, and time waits for nobody. So shit, we need to get busy. So it says, alright, so this ain't nothing we finna tackle today. I was just trying to get a feel for what we was gonna need to do. So this is how it comes to the back of the camera. axle is about right there. It's all said and done. Gotta bring it out damn near to the very end of the vehicle. So it'll be kicking out somewhere around here. Looks like. I know there was a shop that said they could do some with it. I was gonna try to do it myself, but I'm not exactly sure how we're gonna go about that. But it's on the list. It's definitely on the list. Because like I said, for where the mufflers are now, to tell the truth, like that need to come up some, right? Because the way that it's hanging, especially on that passenger side, it can definitely come up further and then come back. But I'm not 100% sure how we gonna go about it. Excuse me. I mean, you could do like a Y, like a 2-in-1, but I think we was trying to stick with true duals on this setup.